My name is Dr. Delia Garcia, and I practiced medicine for 30 years. I've been health coaching for 17 years. So I help people get to a healthy weight, get off medications, reverse chronic diseases such as diabetes, hypertension, lower the risk of all of the major disease killers, heart disease, various cancers, Alzheimer's, and many more. But today I'd like to talk about type 2 diabetes because it is so prevalent in our country, and the underlying cause is primarily overweight and obesity. So if people achieve a healthy weight, they can oftentimes reverse their diabetes or at least vastly improve it. And I'm especially interested in working with people that are on insulin. In fact, a vial of insulin costs Big Pharma about $8 to manufacture. Insulin has been around for more than 100 years, so it's not a new medication by any means. That $8 vial of insulin is sold by some pharmaceutical companies for anywhere from $300 to $1,000 per vial. So even people that have health insurance are oftentimes faced with having to ration their insulin because they simply can't afford it. And some of those people are dying of their disease. And so in my health coaching, I have worked with hundreds of people with type 2 diabetes who have been on insulin. And I have just been astounded that in some cases, I can get people off insulin in a matter of days. In fact, a quick example is a gentleman that was about 100 pounds overweight. He was 58 years old. His wife reached out to me and asked if I could help her husband. He hated being on insulin. He did 4 injections a day, very hefty doses of insulin. And he had been on insulin for about 10 years. He had been a type 2 diabetic for 12 years and had been on insulin for 10 years. In 11 days, working with him on a structured meal plan and lifestyle choices, in 11 days, I had him off all of his insulin. He went on to lose the 100 pounds. He's never had to be on insulin again. So that is an example of how you can take control of your own life. I have been working with individuals struggling with health issues for, again, 17 years and even longer than that. But if you know of anybody who could use my help, please reach out. Or if this video has been shared by someone else, please reach out to the person that shared it with you. You do not have to live your life with chronic diseases. Many of these diseases can be reversed, and of course, most of them can be prevented. So thank you for your attention.